Switching to weather now, there's some rain moving into West Michigan as we take this live look outside the Gerald Ford International Airport.
Chief Meteorologist George Leston joining us now. George, what can you tell us about the rain today?
Right now, we've got some scattered showers moving through. It's been dry a good portion of the day after that overnight rain moved on out. Let's check the radar, show you some of those showers moving into the northwest counties. A little light rain further to the south. We're a little interested in those showers off to our north and west because they're going to run into a little bit of sunshine and maybe a little warmer temperatures further north where there is a little bit more instability. There is some thunder and lightning. Most of that is well up into northern lower Michigan, but there's a possibility we could see some stronger storms here. Storm Prediction Center says there's a 5% or less chance of issuing a watch with this line of showers coming through along a cold front. Nonetheless, we have a marginal or 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather this evening, and then that will pass to the east. And any threats will be between now and 10 o'clock with a low risk for damaging winds and a low risk for some hail. Our forecast confidence is pretty high. Temperatures warmed up into the low 60s away from the lake shore down to the south. You can see a little light rain around Three Rivers and Hillsdale. Temperatures in most areas are within a degree or two of what we were during the day yesterday. A little closer look on the timeline of those storms this evening and a look at what could be potential frost Thursday morning. All that way coming up a little later on. Well, after some milder, somewhat sunny days, we have a cold front coming through that's bringing some showers and some much cooler weather for the rest of this week. 13 weather ball tonight is blue. We have cooler weather in view and even a threat of frost. It's also blinking bright. We have some evening showers and possible thunderstorms in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
You can always track our weather and stay informed by joining the 13 weather team. Text the word weather to that number there, 559-1310, area code 616, or scan that QR code and we'll occasionally send you a little inside information. Showers this morning didn't amount to a whole lot, just enough to wet the ground. We now tracking a line of some showers coming into the northwest counties. I noticed there was a lightning strike up in Lake County, but most of the active weather has been well to the north, south of the bridge in northern lower Michigan. But a cold front coming through tonight still has the chance to pop up a shower or a thunderstorm. One of those may be on the stronger side, and that's going to be for the next several hours. This is 8 o'clock. You can see some of these pop-up showers and thunderstorms possible, and by 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, they're all out of the area. Then we've got some clearing skies. Temperatures are going to fall down into the 30s overnight, but they'll recover only into the 50s tomorrow. A lot of sunshine, blue skies, high pressure moving in overhead then on Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Will allow the threat of some frost across the region and perhaps even some freezing temperatures, but sun comes back out on Thursday and we've got a dry day again Thursday and into Friday. Our chances of rain are pretty close to 0 after this evening until Friday night, and then on and off showers and storms all the way through Monday night. So about 4 days where we'll see some showers and storms. Now the long range outlook calling for high chances for warmer temperatures from the end of April through early May, and an equal chance for more or less rainfall also during that 5-day period. So tonight, early evening showers and thunderstorms. It'll be breezy, and then temperatures will fall down into the mid-30s. It might get to 30 in Ludington. After the evening showers and thunderstorms, skies will clear. It'll be in the low and mid-30s, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll settle down to around 35 or 36 after these evening showers and storms move out. 13 on your side forecast. Sun comes out tomorrow afternoon, chance of frost on Thursday morning, but up to 60, 68 on Friday, humid over the weekend, low in mid-70s Saturday and Sunday, and then we'll drop into the 60s early next week, but sunshine starting Tuesday all the way through next Friday.
You know, it's a good thing George has been telling us to hold off on some of our planting because it sounds like this is not going to be a good week for that.
No, not at all. It feels like it though, but not necessarily.
The coldest temperatures, guys, is going to be on Thursday morning. May even threaten some of the fruit crops around West Michigan. Yeah, it's going to be that cold. It's coming with a cold front that tonight is kicking off some showers and some thunderstorms. 13 weather ball tonight is blinking bright because of that. Early tonight, it's also blue, cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Our dog walking forecast for Georgie, love that name. We have some showers and even some thunderstorms. I gave you a red paw there, Jennifer. For Georgie to go out and walk around 8 o'clock this evening. Some scattered showers and a yellow paw at 10. We'll drop out of the 50s into the 30s overnight. So your morning walk's going to be much colder than it was this morning when we dropped to around 50. Not as much sunshine tomorrow, especially early on in the day, but the sun will come out in the afternoon, so about half as much as we saw today. Wind also up a little bit here tomorrow in the wake of that cold front. That cold front is bearing down on us. The leading edge of it is coming in right through here. There are some scattered showers. I noticed there are a couple of lightning strikes just to the west of Muskegon right now, so some thunder and lightning this evening. There's a small risk one of those could be on the stronger side as this cold front sweeps on through, but I'm thinking the threat is very, very low tonight. There are those thunderstorms right now. Look at how quickly they build up between now and about 10 o'clock. That's when the greatest threat will be. So just stay weather aware, but by 2 o'clock in the morning they're done, and we'll start the day with clouds but end the day with sunshine, so decreasing clouds throughout the day. Now it's tomorrow night, Thursday morning, as high pressure builds on overhead. We may have a few high clouds around that might mitigate our situation just a little bit, but I think we will get down to around freezing or below, and then lots of sunshine expected on Thursday into early Friday. So for the threat of frost and freezing temperatures, this is from midnight Thursday through 8 a.m. on Thursday. All of West Michigan has a freeze watch, which means the potential is there for cold temperatures, and this is how cold our models are forecasting. Down around the mid-20s north, 30 here in Grand Rapids, low 30s at the lake shore. Looking at some warmer temperatures, this is the first 7 days of May, looking at high chances for warmer than average readings with an equal chance for more or less precipitation. The favored storm track is well to our west during that 7-day outlook period. Forecast then for tonight, early evening showers, possible rumble of thunder, and then clearing skies will eventually drop down into the mid-30s to the south, low 30s north. Low and mid-30s in our northern zones with early evening showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. Just stay weather aware. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, will be between about 7:30 and 10:30 is when our chances for showers and storms will occur. 13 on your side forecast. Warming up from the 50s into near 60 on Thursday and 68 on Friday. Right around sundown Friday, there could be some showers and moving on through, along with warm and humid conditions and some wind over the weekend, but low in mid-70s. Wow, look at that. Showers now lingering into Monday with decreasing clouds on Tuesday, and then we will see more sunshine and above average temperatures the end of next week all the way through Friday.
George, we got rain in our area today, but I'm hearing it's not going to be anything too severe for us.
Well, I'm hoping it's not going to be too severe. I always play the optimistic card here. The ingredients are just not coming together for any kind of widespread outbreak. Doesn't mean your lawn furniture might not fall over or you might not get some hail. But for the most part, this is just ordinary showers and storms coming through, and that is good news. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because we have those in sight early tonight. It's also blue, cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Temperatures today within a few degrees of what we saw yesterday. We made 62 so far here in Grand Rapids. Our average high is 61. Yay, another above average day, but we're going to turn cooler. We forecast 63 today, so 5 days in a row we've been within our target range here in West Michigan. I got a strong cold front that's approaching the area. Showers and storms down to our south. We've got some scattered activity here in West Michigan. This little storm cell right there, northern Ottawa County, southern Muskegon County, that's the one that's got a lightning strike with it. Most of the heavier storms have been well to the north of US 10. You can see there are some scattered lightning strikes, about 55 total strikes so far, but the majority of them have been around Big Rapids and points northward. This is a live look at the Yacht Club up in Pentwater, 54 degrees, kind of an ominous looking sky off to the north and west. Those are just showers. There was a shower that went through Muskegon earlier with some thunder and lightning, and 54 degrees, gusts to 33. And from the Holland Energy Park camera, 62, and you can see some of those storms starting to pop up there along the lakeshore. This is our models showing that line of showers and storms racing here into Grand Rapids by about 8 o'clock. Good thing I'm getting off the weather deck here shortly. But by 10 o'clock, the majority of our viewing area will see the storms come to an end. Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, you'll see those move out within the hour after 10 o'clock. o'clock. And then after midnight, we'll start to see cloudy skies. So a cloudy night tonight. Temperatures dropping into the mid-30s. Kind of a cold night, but skies are going to clear after morning clouds tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, high pressure building in overnight Wednesday night. Maybe a few high clouds will keep our temperatures from getting too cold. We'll have to wait and see, but that's when our threat of frost will happen. And then back to sunshine on Thursday. Because of the chillier air coming in, there is a freeze watch. This is for Thursday morning from midnight to 8 a.m. And these are projected lows from our model. Could be in the mid-20s northward, 30 Grand Rapids, low 30s along the lakeshore. We'll have to wait and see. That is why it is a freeze watch in anticipation. Morning clouds, afternoon sun, mid-40s in Ludington, 50 in Hart, 49 there in South Haven with that wind coming in off the lake. Further inland, Muskegon and Holland, you'll be in the low and mid-50s. Low and mid-50s up north. Morning clouds, afternoon sun. The winds will be more north and then east late in the day. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Morning clouds, afternoon sun. Highs right around 52 to 54. 13 on your side forecast. Stay weather aware for the next few hours as showers and isolated storms roll through. After the clouds depart, some cold air moves in. There's that 30 on Thursday morning, 60 in the afternoon, and then 68 on Friday. All three of those days dry until Friday evening. Over the weekend, it'll be summer-like, humid, windy, breezy, low and mid-70s. Lingering rain now into Monday. Next week will stay warmer than average, mid and upper 60s to near 70 with some sunshine.